Hello guys, okay, my name is Castor, and today I'm gonna show you how to install Termux to your Android phone. You must have Android version 5 and above to install Termux to your phone. So first of all, you go to your browser. And then you search for Termux APK download, and then you download it from F-Droid. Then you scroll down until you get this version 01. This version requires Android 7 or newer, and it is the newest version of Termux. So you come down here, you find download APK, you press there. Okay, I've downloaded mine, so I will not wait to start download. Okay, after downloading and you install, after installing, you come back to where you installed your Termux. Here is mine, Termux. Press there. Then the first thing before you use Termux, you need to update and upgrade your Termux. So you press apt update and apt upgrade. Apt update and apt upgrade. This will update your Termux and upgrade all packages of Termux. It will update and upgrade them. Accept. Do you want to continue? Say yes. Okay, now what we need to do is to allow storage to your Termux to access storage of your phone. So the first way you need to do is you type Termux, then -set up -storage. So storage has been allowed. So that one, the other command that you need to know first, that will create a video then in the next video. So follow me, like my videos and share please. This is for today. Tomorrow I will come and teach you how to